When we're skating outside, what if I want to stop while I'm going backwards? How do I toe stop? Stop, turn and toe, turn and toe, turn and toe stop. So let's just practice in space where we find ourselves. Our feet are staggered. My right foot slightly forward because I lead with my right. And I'm going to imagine that I am opening a door. I'm just going to open a door, and while my shoulder is rotating and my eyes are following that doorknob, I'm going to pivot my heel and set it down. So I'm here, pivot, set, set. So sometimes people say, I'm a waitress and I'm traveling and I'm turning around. So once you're backwards, you're going to get into a nice runner's lunge. That's where your front foot is a nice little 90 degrees there. My weight is in this foot. My weight is going through all four corners of this foot. When I stop in a turn and toe, you stop with your rear brake first. So this one is you're traveling on. This one's nice and loose and ready to put a toe stop down. To get the most friction out of this, we have to, just like we learned with the other stops, bend the knee, okay? That's gonna give you that friction on the toe stop as we're traveling backwards. You can get more friction by bending the knee and pushing into the toe stop to slow and stop yourself. So this will slow you, and then when we feel like we're in control, we can put down that other toe stop to come to a stop. So in movement, it would look something like this. I'm traveling, I rotate, set. Now I lower myself and set down my toe stop. So we take it in sections, okay? So I'm traveling forwards. Step one, rotate. Step two, set. Step three, toe stop. I slow or I stop. If I want a little more juice to stop, I can throw down my other toe stop. I'm in a runner's lunge. Okay. Turn and toe, set it, stop it. Maybe I throw down that other one for some extra stopping power. Okay. Traveling forwards, turn, stop, stop. I personally find that I stop with one toe stop pretty sufficiently. I work really hard to make sure that I'm never sacrificing too much of one foot while I'm skating outside, or too much of both feet while I'm skating outside. I want to be nimble. I want to be able to move around. I need other options because anything could happen. Maybe I'm approaching a stop sign and the guy who should be stopping, maybe he's not stopping. I need to be able to get into a position where I can put on the brakes really fast. While I'm traveling backwards, I put myself in a really safe position where if I'm traveling fast and this is slowing me, I can get even lower and be in kind of a stable position to maybe change positions and go the other way. So turn, toe, stop. Traveling forward, turn, toe, stop. I want to turn the other way. Oh, that's my bad side. Da, 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 da. So if I'm here and I waitress and I turn around, then that means that I need to be waitressing and turning around. Oh, I can follow my own advice. Waitress, toe stop, set it down. Waitress, toe stop, turn it down. Oh man, gotta da 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 da, right? If you have some of this, let's see an emoji about it. Boo! So turn and toes. Weights in that front foot. We are going to waitress turn, set, toe stop. So now I'm in this front foot. I'm gonna waitress turn, set, toe stop, okay? Now I'm in this position. I'm gonna waitress turn, set, toe stop, toe stop. I'm feeling good about this now. Turn, set, toe stop, toe stop. It's the turning and the resetting in this staggered position that's gonna give you the most control while you're traveling backwards. The weight is going through the booty while we're traveling backwards, which means we gotta weight over that front foot, all four corners, so that way we're free to put that back toe stop down. Just lift the heel, that's all it needs. Little lift, push it into the ground. So we're in this position, weights through the heel, lift, push down through the toe stop. I feel strong. I feel like I did a bunch of squats. I feel like I did a bunch of lunges, a bunch of thigh masters. I feel great. If you've enjoyed this video and you want more videos like this, subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. You can hit the little bell over there on the side. It'll give you little notifications that live events are happening, and then get in the chat, get active, ask questions, leave comments below because we will answer all of them. Okay, I'm Abominatrix. You can find me on Instagram, on YouTube, or right here at Moxi Skate Live. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day. Bye.